We're clear. Get in.
Come on, go, you frickin' thing!
What the hell is that thing?
Don't look directly at it.
So, just out of curiosity, what would happen if you looked directly at it?
Did you?
Well, oh no.
What is happening?
Stay away from him!
The third dynasty of the Kotelshi Empire shall now begin. Bow before your new masters, worms of the earth. Your limbs shall be severed and your eyes seared away, and you will crawl with happiness into the maw.
You had a gun?
Your arm is bleeding.
Yeah, Doug, or whatever that was, got me good. Stings, but I can still help you. Let's go.
We need to get to the control room.
How about we just leave, please?
Here's the second left. Reminder, negative self-talk does not help you, Cal. Oh, that sounds even more condescending when I say it. Here's the right. There you are. Just gotta fix you and run out of here like my ass is on fire. Let's see here. Quick diagnostic. What the hell? Engine is fine, treads are fine, CPU is fine. Oh, it's just your antenna. You didn't boot because you didn't hear the command. Where's the nearest replacement? Probably back at the shake shelter. No way in hell I'm walking there and all the way back to fix you. Place command on.
Initializing.
Well?
Voice command system 5.8.
Hurry it up, you big asshole.
Many parameter input accepted. This unit now responds to you big asshole.
Sure, screw it, whatever. Come on, asshole, follow.
Command accepted. Follow.
Thank God in heaven I've stopped falling. Where am I now? Oh, what is that? No, wait. Don't come any closer. Was that an idea? Wait, what am I? Gotcha! Oh,
Something unknown is doing we don't know what.
yes, I know, but
Not only is the universe stranger than we can imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine.
but what am I to do?
The NoöSphere's vast.
Charles?
It would be like finding one person in a million oceans. She's lost to me. She's lost to the world.
It's gone.
We're on our way.
Okay, Alice, what have we got on this Bond Zero guy?
He's got no natural powers, but a lot of black market tech. Guns, bombs. Main weapon seems to be some kind of disintegration ray.
Oh, that's wonderful.
At the Wellington building now.
I'll handle this, bozo. Whatever it is you want, I'm sure we can work this out peaceful-like.
Red, we need to think this through first.
What do I want? What? I want to rip this whole building full of pension-stealing dickweeds from the ground. All these tools are gonna get what they deserve.
That ain't gonna do. I'm coming for you.
Let him go, Carl. He can at least get us up to the scene.
Alice, you better tell the police to back off. It's always messy with Red.
I heard that. Just pipe down. I'll take this terrorist guy out pronto.
I'm not a terrorist!
Red, I'm not out there. The last bullet I handled was from Quos.
I'm gonna crush that damn... What? Son of a...
What the heck was that purple beam?
That's the disintegration weapon, remember? Red's gonna be toast. Better get him out of there.
Sightline!
Time to disarm that disintegrator, Ray. I'll focus on the battery pack.
What you in for? I'm gonna finish it.
No way! Look at you. Your mask is half burned off and you took some heavy damage. Just stay in here for now.
Yeah, whatever.
I think I've absorbed enough energy from the disintegrator.
That's the stuff right back at the gun.
Ah, my hands! You won't stop me that easily!
I'm hit. Heading to the top of the building.
Damn it! We need to swap out sightline. That gunfire's gonna rip him to shreds. I've got it from here. I'm on the roof.
Zarash. Thomas. Zarash. Bring the lights up. Zarash, answer me. He scrambled you. I probably sound like gibberish to you now. If you can understand me, I need lights. Anything. Oh, thank you. No. Thomas! What did Alex do to you? Please don't be gone. Please stay with me. I'll get you back. Just hang on.
Power overload. Attempting restoration.
Yes! Hang in there, Thomas. Come on, stick with me. No, Thomas, you have to stay with me or I'm going to die. Please.
Retrieving file. Anxiety.
On the next seminar.
Did you know that not all pawns become queens?
All stories must end, but some refuse to die.
When the Red King awakened, we thought that was it. We'd all just vanish. But it didn't happen. Not right away. Some things faded, like the other queens. Some things lingered, and some things changed.
Anticipation for the future sometimes turns to fear.
Why? Why do we have to go along with your plan? There's other things we could be doing.
Routine is important to survive out here.
Routine is important for survival, but survival is not the purpose of life.
And the rising dawn is not as bright as it seems.
Strange things happen out here. But look, you're here now, I'm here now. This is good. For both of us. Everything changes from here on.
Everything changes.
Seminar resumes on June 24, 2015, only at pendantaudio.com.
MississippiMold.com, your online resource for moldy, mildewed, and water-damaged books, CDs, and DVDs. On sale this week.
The Power of Three. The science behind celebrity death clusters. Flame On. A superhero cookbook. The Perfect Score. How I Made Millions with the Shareable Content Object Reference Swap. Executus Maximus. Conquer your company with management techniques of the Roman Legion. Thrift Store Stories. The Lost Art of Finding Lost Art.
MississippiMold.com, where everything is always on sale. Remember, 2 S's, 2 S's, 2 P's, 4 I's. MississippiMold.com.
The last known remnants of Earth's people are adrift in space, aboard the Ark of Humanity. Its sole purpose, to instruct each generation in the history of human civilization. Confined and categorized, none could leave. But one made a daring escape. Cut loose from all she knew, with a holographic student as her only companion, she crash-landed on a nearby planet. This planet holds the sleeping archive of a culture even more ancient and unique than Earth. And the planet itself may change them more than they expect. This is Seminar.
Seminar number 86. Test the hypothesis.